Hello, today we have great news to announce. We have putting 26 Scania demo vehicles on the road, which you, esteemed transport companies, can now test at any Scania dealer in Switzerland. With the new Scania powertrain, you can reduce your fuel cost by at least 8%. The most efficient truck now becomes even more efficient. The Scania Super was also recently awarded Green Truck 2022, which means Scania has already won 6 consecutive awards for the most economical truck. The Scania Super is an important piece of the puzzle in achieving Scania's science-based goals. As a reminder, Scania is the first major heavy truck manufacturer to commit to reducing CO2 emissions from its own operations by 50% by 2025 and to reduce emissions from its products by 20% over the same period. Do something for an 8% better future and see the Scania Super for yourself. Contact your Scania dealer today and sign up for a demo week. We do look forward to seeing you.